At UOB Malaysia, we believe in giving back to the community. We are passionate about education, supporting local artists, and helping to better the lives of underprivileged children. Through our partnership with SOLS Foundation, we are proud to provide underprivileged youths a second chance in education at the Solar Academy. Under our sponsorship program, they will be able to learn vocational skills to install solar systems. They will also be equipped with soft skills and English proficiency, which will help them build a career in the fast-growing solar industry.
Volunteerism is the heart of our CSR initiatives. At UOB, we try to go beyond corporate philanthropy by encouraging our colleagues to volunteer their time. So through meaningful outreach programs like Kampung Solar, our volunteers together with the SOLS team help to bring clean and sustainable energy to off-grid communities. We also partner with SOLS to bring solar energy to charity homes, which has helped reduce their expenses, and the savings are then channeled back to improve the children's welfare. For the Solar Academy, our volunteers also have the opportunity to share their insights and also expertise on key subjects like financial literacy, scam awareness, and even personal professional development.
SOLS Foundation is really grateful to corporates like UOB Malaysia for supporting the cause not only from financial sponsorship but active engagement in our programs. Our students are always so excited and they learn so much from the UOB volunteers when they come for the mentorship program and even the futsal sessions.
I hope we can all take our achievement today as proof that anything is possible when we put our minds to it.
It is our hope that these students, after they have graduated, will be able to provide for their families and contribute to the country's net zero ambitions.